Looking for backyard privacy without the expensive fence? These 7 fast-growing trees and shrubs are the solution. They grow feet per year, fill in gaps within seasons, and create a natural living wall that blocks views and muffles noise. The best part? They cost a fraction of what fencing would set you back. Plant them now while the soil is still warm, and they'll be well established before winter. By next summer, you'll have the privacy you've been wanting, without the construction noise and without the construction weight.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Green Giant Arborvitae. Green Giant Arborvitae is the gold standard for fast-growing privacy screens in American gardens. The tree that finally proved you don't have to wait a decade for a living fence. It grows 3 to 5 feet per year once established, creating a dense, evergreen barrier that blocks views year-round. The pyramidal habit reaches 30 to 50 feet tall, with a spread of 10 to 18 feet, and the dark green foliage stays full from top to bottom. What makes Green Giant exceptional is its adaptability. It thrives in a wide range of soil types, clay, loam, sandy, and handles heat, humidity, and drought once established. It's also deer-resistant and low maintenance, requiring minimal pruning. Plant them 5 to 8 feet apart for a solid privacy hedge, and they'll create a living wall that absorbs traffic noise and breaks strong winds. For year-round coverage with minimal effort, Green Giant Arborvitae is the most reliable investment you can make. Number 2. Leyland Cypress. Leyland Cypress is the fastest-growing evergreen privacy tree available. The plant that delivers screening so quickly, it's become the go-to choice for homeowners who need privacy yesterday. It grows 3 to 4 feet per year, reaching mature heights of 50 to 70 feet with a dense columnar form that blocks views completely. The blue-green, soft-textured foliage provides year-round coverage and creates a dramatic vertical accent in any landscape. The tree is highly tolerant of a wide range of soils and coastal conditions, making it versatile for many regions. It thrives in full sun and tolerates pollution and salt spray. However, Leyland Cypress comes with important considerations. Its shallow root system can make it prone to wind throw in exposed areas, and its rapid growth requires regular maintenance to prevent it from becoming overly tall or dense. Plant them 10 to 15 feet apart for a privacy screen, and be prepared to trim them annually. For instant privacy with dramatic impact, Leyland Cypress delivers faster than almost anything else, but it demands a commitment to maintenance. Number 3. Cherry Laurel. Cherry laurel is the evergreen hedging plant that proves fast growth and beauty can coexist. A dense, glossy-leaved shrub that creates a solid privacy screen in record time. It grows quickly and produces broad, shiny leaves that form an impenetrable wall of green. Left unchecked, it can reach up to 8 meters tall, but it's typically maintained at around 3 meters, the perfect height for blocking neighboring views. What makes cherry laurel exceptional is its adaptability. It thrives in most soil types and positions, including poorer ground conditions and shady areas where other hedging plants struggle. It's also shade tolerant, making it ideal for gardens with variable light conditions. The evergreen foliage provides year-round coverage, and the plant responds well to pruning. It works beautifully as a formal clipped hedge or an informal, natural screen. Plant them 2 to 3 feet apart for a dense hedge. For fast, dense coverage that looks immaculate all year, cherry laurel is one of the most effective shrubs for creating privacy. Number 4. Clumping Bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth, and when chosen carefully, it's the most dramatic privacy screen you can plant. Some varieties can grow 1.5 inches per hour, making it the fastest way to get yard privacy without adding an actual fence. Clumping bamboo, unlike running bamboo, grows in tight clusters and won't spread into neighboring gardens, reaching heights of 10 to 40 feet with a spread of 3 to 5 feet. The tall, lush canes create an elegant, contemporary look that adds both beauty and function to your borders. The dense foliage helps soften noise, act as a windbreak, and even improve the overall microclimate of your outdoor space. Fargasia varieties are non-invasive and clump-forming, making them ideal for smaller gardens or suburban spaces. To prevent root spread, plant them in large containers or use root barriers. For a privacy screen that's fast, lush, and makes a design statement, clumping bamboo is unmatched. Number 5. Wax leaf privet. Wax leaf privet is the hedge that professional landscapers recommend when you need privacy fast. A dense, evergreen shrub with glossy, waxy leaves that creates a living wall in record time. It grows 2 to 3 feet per year, reaching 6 to 12 feet tall with a spread of 6 to 7 feet. The thick, easy-to-shape leaves also help block wind and reduce outdoor noise. Available as both a tree and a shrub, waxleaf privet thrives in full sun or partial shade and adapts to clay, loamy, and sandy soils. It's low maintenance and responds well to regular pruning to maintain shape and size. The dense foliage creates a thick, lush green wall that provides excellent privacy and soundproofing. Plant them 3 to 4 feet apart for a solid hedge. For a versatile, fast-growing privacy screen that looks polished and requires minimal care, waxleaf privet is a top choice. Number 6. Photinia Red Robin. Photinia Red Robin is the evergreen shrub that gives you privacy and a color show at the same time. A fast-growing hedge with striking red new growth that adds visual interest while blocking views. It grows quickly and can be shaped into a formal hedge or left to grow more naturally. The brilliant red foliage in spring matures to rich green, creating a dynamic, multi-toned screen that evolves with the seasons. What makes Photinia exceptional is its combination of speed and beauty. It provides excellent privacy and is usually maintained between 1.5 to 3 meters, the perfect height for screening. It's evergreen and reliable, offering year-round coverage. The plant is adaptable to most soil types and thrives in full sun to partial shade. Plant them 2 to 3 feet apart for a dense hedge. For a privacy screen that delivers both function and flair, Photinia Red Robin is a standout choice that will have your neighbors asking what you planted. Number 7. Forsythia. Forsythia is the flowering shrub that proves privacy doesn't have to be boring. A fast-growing, deciduous hedge that explodes with bright yellow blooms in early spring before leafing out into a dense, impenetrable screen. It grows up to 2 feet per year, reaching heights of 8 to 10 feet, and thickens beautifully when pruned regularly. What makes Forsythia special is its seasonal interest. The vibrant early spring flowers announce the end of winter, and the dense summer foliage provides excellent privacy through the growing season. It thrives in full sun with moist, well-drained soil and is remarkably low maintenance. Plant them 3 to 4 feet apart for a solid hedge. For a privacy screen that offers brilliant spring color and dense summer coverage, Forsythia is the hedge that gives you the best of both worlds. Those are 7 trees and shrubs to plant for neighborhood privacy, not despite the fact that it's late summer, but because it's late summer. Warm soil drives root growth faster than spring ever could, and cooler evenings reduce stress on new plants. Plant them now, and by next year, you'll have a living wall that blocks views, reduces noise, and makes your yard feel like your own private retreat. Don't wait for a fence. This is your moment.